Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video and a Funday Sunday watch face review. I feel fully rested. Last week was a long week and then I got another long week ahead of me also, 15, 16, 18 hours of work, but I'm ready. All right, so it's almost time to get back on the Monday grind, so make today count. All right, you all, let's get this Funday Sunday watch face review started. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. I do have the watch face of the day for you, and I'm telling you, this watch face is nice. Do not sleep on this watch face. Now, the name of the watch face is called Lumix Style. I really like the way it looks in always on mode. Everything is legible. You get a couple of dials, give you your battery info, your day and your date, and you get a digital time down at the bottom. Looking at this in the always on mode looks beautiful. But when the watch face is cut on, very unique look. You pretty much get the same thing you got when the watch face was in the always on mode, plus an analog look. So you get the best of both worlds. You get a retro look right out the gate. I'm telling you, it looks awesome, but it doesn't stop there. A double tap at the top. Now this watch face transform. I know you're looking for it. You got your step info, miles walked or ran, calories burned, your heart rate. I'm telling you, this looks awesome, right? But it doesn't stop there. If I double tap down at the bottom, I can customize the color to either whatever I'm wearing that day or just choose my favorite color. It has several in all for you to choose from. If you want to close this back up, just simply double tap and it closes back up. I'm telling you, this is a very beautiful look. Also, the dials are interactive as well. So if you want to get more of your battery info, calendar you want to bring up, set an event. If I tap on the 4, I can get my text messages. If I tap over here, I can make a phone call, which is nice. And if I tap on the 10, right, I can get my settings, and if I tap on the 2, I can get my weather. I'm telling you, this is one beautiful watch face. I'm telling you, check this out in the Gear Manager store. The price, not a bad price at all. It is worthy of what they're charging for this watch face. All right, you all, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you have the best weekend ever. End it right. Enjoy, eat, drink, be merry, whatever it is that you're going to do, but enjoy. All right, you all, if you like this video, then please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And as always, I will see you all at the next video. Take care.